Namaste, myself JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to deliver lecture on ICT in Teaching Biological Science, which is from the course Pedagogy of Biological Science and for the program BSc B.Ed 6th semester. So let's start the definition. What is ICT? ICT is the called Information and Communication Technology. This technology is using nowadays to learn the study material in very interesting manner, because in this ICT we learn via technology, means transfer of knowledge by the technology. Students learn more and more taking interest by the ICT technology. Here are some objectives that describe ICT field. The objectives are to assess whether secondary schools biology teachers have access to ICT for school work. Second, to assess the ICT knowledge level of biology teachers teaching at the secondary school. To find out the use of ICT by teachers of teaching learning purpose. To determine the challenges faced by them in using ICT for teaching and learning process. And these objectives were being studied via the survey of some schools and universities. Like, first objective, assess the ICT for school works. In that, the teacher were asked to respond on a 3-point scale: always, sometimes, and never on the question whether they have access to computer internet at home and at school when these are required for school. Most of the biology teachers have access to computer at school. In that category, 27% were there for the always, and 54% sometimes, and at home 35% always and 50% sometimes. They also have the internet connection at school. In that category, 50% always agree and 31% sometimes. At home, 31% always and 54% sometimes. However, a good number of teachers responded that they do not have access to computer or internet at school. In that category, 19% were there, and at home 15% were there. Now, second, ICT knowledge of biology teachers. The survey teachers were asked to rate their knowledge about the basic software applications like word processing, spreadsheet like MS Excel, presentation, PowerPoint presentation, mail, internet, web browser, etc. So it was found that 82% responded assessed their knowledge on Microsoft Office Word either very good 26%, good 24%, or satisfactory 32% were there. Likewise, 78% teachers assessed their knowledge in between very good and satisfactory on spreadsheet. About 82% biology teachers responded that their knowledge on presentation software were very good. In that category, 26 were there. In good category, 28% were there, and in satisfactory category, 28% there. Similarly, इसी प्रकार से 84% teachers rated their skill on web browser as very good. In that, 18% were there, and in good category 30% there, and in satisfactory category 36% were there. But most of teachers, 86%, did not have any knowledge on the software hardware maintenance of computer. It is also to be noted that a good proportion of teachers do not possess any knowledge. Now come to the next objective, use of ICT for teaching learning process. The teacher were asked how they use ICT for teaching learning process. Then it was found that 64% teachers seldom use internet for accessing education material, whereas 12% teachers often and 24% teachers never use internet for the same purpose. It was also found that 67% teachers seldom takes class by using multimedia projector, but 17% teachers had never made any presentation by the help of ICT. The next, further, the teachers were asked how often they have used the computer in last 3 years in their life. The preparation for schoolwork, 40% of teachers admitted that they had used computer at least once or twice week in last 3 years. while preparing their lectures or making presentation in the class. 20% teachers use computers once or twice a month, and 16% teachers use computers a few times in a very for the same purpose, but 24% teachers never use computer for any such purpose. Now there are some challenges faced by the teachers using ICT. Lack of technical support or hardware and software problem was found to be the biggest challenge for the teachers. In that category, 58% teachers strongly agreed and 30% teachers agree that unserviceability of computer and software manufacturing hinder their use of ICT in the classroom. In the second biggest challenges was identify as the unexpected power failure during class hour, which was strongly agreed by 32% teachers and agreed by the 52% teachers. Most of the teachers opinion, 24% strongly agreed and 42% agreed that they have less number of computers in their school or institute or universities. They 28% strongly agreed and 42% agreed. Also expressed that they were unable to manage time to share very limited number of schools computers. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with my lecture, which is powered by the Jyoti Vidyavali Women's University. If you have any queries and doubt, then please mention comment box. We will solve it in our live session. Thank you.